Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good too. What are you doing now? I'm just watching TV. Oh, what are you watching? I'm watching a comedy show. It's very funny. That's nice. Do you watch TV every day? Not every day, only when I'm free. What do you usually do in your free time? I listen to music or read books. What about you? I usually go for a walk or talk with my friends. That's good. Do you live nearby? Yes, just 2 streets away. We should meet sometime and go for a walk together. That sounds like a great idea. Yes, we should definitely do this soon. I'll come a bit early and wait near the gate. Great, I'll try to come early too. Don't forget to bring the old photos if you have them. Oh yes, I have our class photo. I'll bring it. That would be amazing. We'll all enjoy seeing it. Okay then, see you soon. Bye, take care. Bye, you too.